So our first example is a -2, -2, axis 169. Now, easy if it's 180, or even if it's 90, but in this case it's neither, so we just have to break it down. Which is this closest to? Well, first of all, what type of prescription are we looking at? It's a -2 in one meridian. It's a 90 degrees away, -4. From our previous example, this is a compound myopic astigmatism because both meridians are minus. But the direction is really important. And remember, anything that's with the rule, plus or minus 30, is with the rule. 169 is only 11 degrees away from 180, so this here would be a with the rule compound myopic astigmatism correction. In this case, +4, -325. Please watch out, it's not mixed astigmatism. In one meridian it's a +4. If you add the two together or transpose or put it on the lens cross, you would be able to tell that the other meridian is a +1/4. This is actually a compound hyperopic astigmatism. It's not how it's written. Just because one is a plus and one is a minus does not make it mixed. It's what are the two major primary meridians? In one it's a +4, and the other it's a +1/4. Now here, if we're at 45 degrees or 135 degrees, plus or minus 15 degrees in either direction. In this case, 136 is pretty darn close to 135, or within a degree. This would be oblique. And then finally, this one I want you to be very careful. You look at the 180 and you say, boy, it must be with the rule, but you have to put it in minus sil. So let's transpose this. Add these two algebraically, swap the sign, and change the axis by 90 degrees. And now in minus cylinder, you're looking at an axis of 88, which is pretty darn close to 90. Against the rule is 90 degrees, plus or minus 30. I'm within about 2 degrees of 90. This is an absolute unequivocal primary meridians. It's mixed astigmatism, and it is against the rule. So make sure this is absolutely things that you should have down, and we're definitely going to see these on tests, quizzes. We're going to see them on ABO, we're going to see them on NCLE, we're going to see them on finals. Just take a peek at those and rewind through this if you need. And always, as always, there's the opportunity if you have any other questions or how to do this, we'll chat on the discussion board.